Welcome back to the Excel 365 tutorial by Training on the Go. The area above my ribbon is known as my Quick Access Toolbar. This toolbar is pretty cool because you can customize it. By default, Excel gives you some shortcuts, but what I've noticed is that sometimes you may not use the default shortcuts that are assigned to you by Excel. So you can check or deselect the items that are selected in here for you, or you can go into more commands and select icons and shortcuts that fit your job best. So again, when you get a chance, try to customize your quick access toolbar so that it works for you instead of using the defaults that were assigned to you by Excel.